Well, hello there. Welcome to Review Diesel. Today, we are in the office, and you are going to walk along with me as I put together some package deals. The reason we do package deals is to save you guys time and money and to make sure that you're getting parts that work really well together. And there's so many combinations out there. For years, I've watched people purchase the wrong parts, and it's frustrating, and we want to avoid that for you. So no more, will this turbo work with these injectors and will this work with this transmission? We're putting these package deals together for you with known good results, the best results for fuel economy package, for workhorse packages, and for all-out performance packages. And the sky's the limit. If you see our package deals, it inspires you to put something else together, that's great. Give us a shout. We'll let you know if that will work or not. But follow along with me as we build some package deals. Ooh, that coffee just hit. I better take a...
A few moments later.
Yes. 10 pounds lighter and 2 years younger. Let's get it. We've already completed our 12-valve Cummins packages and our 7.3 packages. I am now working on the 6.0 stage 1 package. Don't want to get too crazy here. It is a stage 1. This is for your guys that are just new to diesels. You're not ready to go all in, but you want a little bit better fuel economy, and you want to be able to pull that trailer to the lake a little faster and not get hubbed up on those hills. So pretty much tuner, intake, exhaust. We're going to throw a fast fuel system in on this one as well, just to help with fuel economy, because 6 liters low pressure fuel systems kind of suck. So it's going to help a ton. So I just come in here to our website, go to the various sections where I know the products are that I need, find the tuning device that we want to package with this deal. I copy the part number and come over here to Facebook land, and I send all these to my buddy David so he can actually get them loaded on the site. And there is a stage 1 economy package for a 6.0. So we got our exhaust, we got our cold air intake, we got our fast fuel system, and we got our tuner. Next, we're going to do stage 2 package. Going to be exactly the same as stage 1, so we're just going to copy and paste all this stuff in. But we are going to add a regulated return fuel system to get even better performance and even better fuel economy out of it. anyways, guys, that's a day in the office here at Review Diesel. Building performance packages for you guys, fuel economy packages, and workhorse packages. We're going to do this for Ford, Chevy, and Dodge every year, make and model. It's going to take some time, so bear with us. If you get on the website, you don't see a package for your truck, hit me up on Facebook Messenger, and I will get it done right away for you. We're not really going in any specific order, just kind of what hits the phones and who reaches out to us first. So give us a holler, shoot us some comments in the comments section below. Let us know what you want to see. If you want to see some extreme horsepower packages, we can put those together for you. I typically talk to like 1,000 horsepower customer a year, so not as much value in putting those packages together, and everybody kind of wants to do that their own way. But these are for your everyday customer that's using their truck for work, fun, weekends, camping, boating, what have you. All of these power packages are perfectly safe for the street, and nothing that we put together is going to be a black smoke fest, and we're not interested in getting attention from certain agencies. So we're trying to keep this stuff really clean, really good tuning, and reliability and fuel economy are most important to us. So like, subscribe, hit the little bell. Look forward to talking to you guys in the comments below.